Hey guys, Hydro Toast here, and today I am playing Goat Simulator on the phone. This is extremely glitchy, so yeah, and it's also extremely low. Woo, Spider-Man, Spooderman. He's a spooter and a man. Spooter goat, spooter goat, spooter goat, spooter goat, spooter goat. Let's see what else I have. Well, okay, I'm going to be... Here we go. Okay. Wee. Goat. 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 Wee. Wee. Oh my gosh. Get me out of here. This game is too glitchy. Penguins are great at swimming, aren't they? Wee. Penguins are great at swimming. Ah. Wee. So you could slide on concrete, but you can't. Golly. Oh, go trophy. Yes, yes, yes. Go, go, go. Okay, where? Okay, got a lot of trophies. I'm just looking for the rest of them. Is there one in here? Yes? No? Maybe so? I'm sorry if there's background noise. I am watching Malcolm in the Middle. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I like running up walls. Ow. Ugh. Run. Okay, I'm gonna go to Goatville right now. You know. Goatville. Goatville. Super secret tunnel. Okay, oh, wow, there's a knife in the door. There's an axe in the door. Okay. Go. I need to get inside the house. I need to get inside some house. Oh, I could get inside this one. Tyrone. I always love that name, Tyrone. Go. Where is the house?
Turn that off, thing.
Turn what off?
Huh? What you're recording?
Oh. Can I go to a different room? Can I go to a different room?
No, I don't want you to leave.
But I want to record this. Just for a little
You
bit.
can hear me in the background.
No, it's okay. I'll just record in here for a bit. Sorry about that. Guys, my grandfather just he used to want me to record anymore, so I feel just go to the phone. Gosh, where is a way to get into this house? Oh my god. Oh, I'll just get into the roof. That's a smart idea. Get up the ladder. Get up the ladder. Up the ladder. Okay. Oh, it's Santa. It's Santa. Tyrone Johnson is Santa Claus. Tyrone is Santa Claus. Go inside. Hey, it's Tyrone Johnson. Tyrone Johnson. Wait, this is the way you get the Flappy Goat. I don't know what's going on. The couch is in the way. Okay, that should work. How? Get through, get through, get through. Yeah. One. Go, 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 go. Who cares? I'm leaving this stupid place. Oh, a trophy. I need a trophy. Trophy. Cannot go on your computer, sir. More thing. I'm gonna ram up your butt. Boom! Goodbye. Why are you up there? Why are you up there? Why? I'm done. I am done. Oh my gosh, this goat is so dumb. It just flies everywhere whenever it wants to. It just does. It just flies everywhere it wants to. I don't have any control over it. It just flies. Okay. I unlocked the feather goat. Yes, I love the feather goat. It's my favorite goat. Wait, did I get the trophy? I don't know. Who cares? Probably did. Oh yeah, I did, because I unlocked the feather goat. You need to go upstairs in your house, people. Tyrone Johnson needs to go upstairs. What happened in here? What happened in here? Oh yeah, I came in here. Okay, can this thing move? Hey, I need to ram up your butt. I need to ram up your butt. Boom. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Whoa! Whoa! Run. Whoa. Goat, goat, goat. Goat, 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 goat. Oh, goat. Hey, can I join in your party? Boom! I'm a party crasher. Literally. Hey. No, I shouldn't. I shouldn't. That was so bad. I'm sorry, guys. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. Whoa. I'm gonna pull around a friend. Come on. Stealing car in a new way. Stealing car in a new way. Come on. Wee. I have an idea. This jerk just keeps driving his car into me. This time, I'm gonna drive my car into his. Let's see if he'll survive this. Not many people do. What? Ah! What am I carrying now? Okay, how to get all the way over there? I don't know. Lick. I'm gonna lick this car. It's going by. I'm gonna go flying. Lick. It worked! It worked! It worked! It worked. First try. Well, I'm gonna have to end this video. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, or even comment. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.